In this episode, we will be discussing California tenant right to have clothesline or drying rack. The California Civil Code, Chapter 2, Section 1940.20 allows tenants to use the following outdoor apparatuses for drying their laundry. Clothesline or drying rack. A tenant may utilize a clothesline or drying rack in his or her private area if all of the following conditions are met. The clothesline or drying rack will not interfere with the maintenance of the rental property. It will not create a health or safety hazard, block doorways, or interfere with walkways or utility equipment. The tenant seeks the landlord's consent before affixing a clothesline to a building. Use of the clothesline or drying rack does not violate the landlord's reasonable time or location restrictions. And the tenant has received approval from the landlord for the clothesline or drying rack or the type of apparatus used. It is important to note a balcony, railing, awning, or other part of a structure or building shall not qualify as a clothesline or drying rack, and private area means an outdoor area or an area in the tenant's premises enclosed by a wall or fence with access from a door of the premises. For additional laws and articles, visit AmericanLandlord.com.